Hello, this is FrecklesG. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to solve the auto restart problem on my Android Moto X4 phone without losing my information or apps. The problem was this. After a year and a half of working normally, one day my phone began to restart constantly. Once it started, it only lasted less than 1 minute to restart again. When I searched for help on the internet, I read that the only solution that seemed to fix this problem was to format the phone, that is, doing a factory data reset, and therefore deleting all my information and apps. So before resetting my phone, I tried many alternatives, and after hours of trial and error, I managed to fix it without formatting. So if your Motorola phone shows these same symptoms, you can try my solution before having to do a hard reset and lose all your apps and other files like your photos, videos, and music. In my case, it turns out that Android was auto-restarting due to an error caused by a system app, and even restarting the phone in safe mode did not make any difference, since this is an application pre-installed on the phone. Next, I'll show you how I managed to stop the offending app, and after I did that, my phone remained working normally again. If your Motorola phone allows you a few seconds before restarting automatically, you must go quickly to the Settings menu, Apps and Notifications, Show All Apps, Show System Apps, and quickly scroll down to find the app called Moto Care. And click on the Force Stop button. And to avoid more errors, I recommend clearing the data and cache of this app. Please tell me in the comments below if this solution worked for you. I'm FrecklesG, and I'll talk to you on my next video.